What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna teach you how to play Kendrick Lamar's new song that he released on Instagram. Technically it's untitled as of this moment, but online people are calling it Watch the Party Die or Black Forces. Most people are calling it Watch the Party Die, but I'm gonna put both of those titles on this video. But that's the song I'm gonna teach you how to play today. It's really simple. And here's a little preview of what it's gonna sound like. So as you can see, I have a capo on the 4th fret, and everything that I teach is relative to the capo. The chords that you need to know is A minor 7, B minor 7, E minor 7, and C major 7. All right, and here is a breakdown of the chords. Okay, first chord we have is an A minor 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string. It's gonna sound like this. Second chord we have is a B minor 7, so we're gonna bar the 2nd fret, and we're putting our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string. It's gonna sound like this. Next chord is an E minor 7, so we're just gonna put our finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. It's gonna sound like this. And the final chord is a C major 7. I like to play it up here on the 3rd fret. So we're gonna bar the 3rd fret, and we're gonna put our fingers on the 4th fret of the G string and the 5th fret of the D and the B string, and it's gonna sound like this. All right, so if we think about it in 4 counts, the chord progression is gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yeah, that's how you play the progression. It's like that for the entire song. So for the plucking or strumming pattern, what I'm doing to match the vibe of the song is that I'm really just utilizing the 4 middle strings. And so what I'll do is I'll pluck the A string, and then I'll pluck the rest of the 3 middle strings, so the D, G, and B string right after that. But I'll do it in a particular pattern. And what I mean by that is, let's take that first chord for example. So we have the A minor 7. So I'm doing this, plugging the A, hitting the rest of the middle strings, then I slap it. Then I pluck the A string twice again. Then I pluck the rest of the middle strings. Then I slap it again. Then I go to the next chord. Next chord. But on that last 4 count, when I go from the 3 to the 4, I'm plucking the 4 middle strings all at the same time. So from the E minor 7 to the C major 7, I'm plucking those 4 middle strings on that last 3, 4 count. So all together is like this. Okay, and that's how you play the song. So there you have it. I appreciate you guys tapping into this tutorial. Hopefully it helped you out and added value to you in some kind of way. If you like this video, please go ahead and give this tutorial a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below. And also please share this video with someone that wants to learn this song, or just share it in general. And also right now, there should be some videos that you see on your screen. Please go ahead and click any of these tutorials and check them out. And I'll see you guys on the next one.